As an example of modernism and postmodernism, I compared and contrasted two different shows. The first would be the Andy Griffith Show, which is my example of modernism in television, and the second show I chose was Dexter. Both of these shows are alike in that they take place mainly in a police station. The difference being is Andy Griffith's show focuses more on lessons of morality and follows a strict series of events so you know what to expect out of each and every episode. Dexter is postmodern because it's very unpredictable and it has a lot of examples of irony. It blurs the line between what's right and what's wrong. And Dexter is postmodern because it provokes emotion within the audience for a character that would typically be described as a monster in a modern television show. Dexter works for the police, but he's a serial killer. So it's kind of ironic. It's kind of like if a fireman's house burns down. I know that's a bad example, but Andy Griffith's show would be modern because it's predictable and follows a strict pattern of morality. And Dexter would be postmodern because it's unpredictable, it shows a lot of irony, and it blurs the line between wrong and right and good and evil. I watched an episode of Family Guy and I found 22 different examples of intertextuality. I would consider this show a very good example of postmodern TV. I watched season 17, episode 1, called Married with Cancer, and within the first 3 minutes, I actually found 8 examples of intertextuality. So I think it was a very good example of postmodernism. It made a lot of plays and jokes about things that are going on in today's world, and what they were about to say next was completely unpredictable.